हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। सो यहाँ पे बेसिकली हम लोग लास्ट टाइम देख रहे थे, लास्ट चैप्टर में 14 में, कि युधिष्ठिर महाराज को काफी सारे ओमेंस दिख रहे थे, काफी सारे गलत चीजें होते हुए दिख रहे थे। सो ही वाज लिटिल एंशियस कि ये क्यों हो रहा है करके। एंड नारद मुनि भी उनके उस जस्ट पे नारद मुनि भी आए थे, उन्होंने भी कुछ बताया नहीं, ना ही विदुर ने बताया कि कृष्ण चले गए। बट जब अभी अर्जुन आते हैं, बिकॉज दे वर वेटिंग फॉर द राइट टाइम फॉर द पर्सन फॉर दिस न्यूज टू बी शेयर्ड विथ युधिष्ठिर महाराज। सो दे न्यू दैट अर्जुन जब आएंगे, अर्जुन गए, लेट हिम शेयर द न्यूज, इट इज नॉट द राइट टाइम। तो जब अर्जुन आए, देन युधिष्ठिर महाराज एट द एंड ऑफ लास्ट चैप्टर वी सॉ दैट ही वाज आस्किंग, बिकॉज अर्जुन लुक वेरी पेल, काफी डिस्टर्ब लग रहे थे। उन्होंने कुछ 10 डिफरेंट रीजंस बताए कि इस चीज की वजह से हुआ क्या, कोई आपके प्रोटेक्शन में आया और आपने बचाया नहीं, ऐसा हुआ क्या, ये हुआ क्या, वो हुआ क्या। So he gave some 10 different reasons, and then finally, because he did not nod his head, he did not say yes or no. He was simply crying. Then at last he said that, yeah, are you crying because did Krishna leave us? कैसा करके. And then after that Arjuna began to cry and he started to speak. तो हम लोग ने सो विल सी कैसे जब बताते ही जैसे कोई इंसान मरता है तब हम उसकी याद, जो यादें रहते, वी कीप थिंकिंग अबाउट हिम, राइट, हिम और हर, एंड देन वी शेयर दैट व्हेनेवर वी स्पीक ऑफ ए पर्सन, डियर पर्सन दैट वी आर लॉस्ट। तो यहाँ पे ऐसे ही अर्जुन स्टार्ट करते, ही स्पीक्स अबाउट ऑल दोस डिफरेंट पास्ट टाइम्स ऑफ द लॉर्ड, हिज टाइम विद द लॉर्ड, कैसे कैसे क्या करके, हिज मोमेंट्स ऑफ द लॉर्ड। And after that, at the end, then they decide, because Krishna is not there here in this universe now, he has packed up, so it is time for us to pack up as well. कि भक्त जो आते हैं वो सिर्फ कृष्णा के सपोर्ट के लिए आते हैं, इट इज नॉट फॉर सेंस एंजॉयमेंट। कृष्णा नहीं है, उनका ऑब्जेक्टिव खत्म हो गया कृष्णा का, तो डिवोटीज का भी ऑब्जेक्टिव खत्म हो गया, unless until devotees like Hanuman are specifically instructed to stay on this earthly planet for some reason. So we did the first 9 slokas. We will move on from the 10th sloka. Rakhi Mataji, do you want to take up the slide?
मला फक्त डोळ्यावर ऊन नको येते.
Yes, Prabhuji. Srimad Bhagavatam 1.15. It was he only who loosened the hair of all the wives of the miscreants who dared of which had been nicely dressed and sanctified for the great Rajasuya sacrificial ceremony. At that time, she fell down at the feet of Lord Krishna with tears in her eyes. During our exile, Durvasa Muni, who eats with his 10,000 disciples, entreat with our enemies to put us in dangerous trouble. At that time, he, Lord Krishna, simply by accepting the remnants of food, saved us. By his accepting food, thus, the assembly of Munis, while bathing in the river, felt sumptuously fed, and all the 3 worlds was also satisfied. It was by his influence only that in a fight I was able to astonish the personality of God, Lord Shiva, and his wife, the daughter of Mount Himalaya. Thus, he, Lord Shiva, became pleased with me and awarded me with his own weapon. Other demigods also delivered their respective weapons to me, and in addition, I was able to reach the heavenly planets in this present body and was allowed a half-elevated seat. When I stayed for some days as a guest in the heavenly planets, all the heavenly demigods, including King Indradev, took shelter of my arms, which were marked with the Gandiva bow, to kill the demon named Nivarta Kavacha. O King, descended of Ajamida, at the present moment I am bereft of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, by whose influence I was so powerful. The military strength of the Kauravas was like an ocean in which there dwelt many invincible existences, and thus it was insurmountable. But because of his friendship, I, seated on the chariot, was able to cross over it, and only by his grace was I able to regain the cows and also collect by force many helmets of the kings, which were bedecked with jewels that were sources of all brilliance. It was he only who withdrew the duration of life from every one, and who, in the battlefield, withdrew the speculative power and strength of enthusiasm from the great military phalanx made by the Kauravas, headed by Bhishma, Karna, Drona, Shalya, etc. Their arrangement was expert and more than adequate, but he, Lord Krishna, while going forward, did all this. Hare Krishna.
जय हरे कृष्णा, थैंक यू बाबा जी. So basically यहाँ पे he says that actually जो युद्ध में हुआ था, it was only Krishna who could basically arrange for this war, and he was the one who actually arranged for the death of this Kauravas. और उसके वजह लूजन डहर मतलब बेसिकली पहले के जमाने में दे यूज्ड टू, अभी भी कुछ लोग बोलते हैं बाल छोड़ के, मतलब कुछ पुराने लोग बोलते रहे अवर ग्रैंडफादर पेरेंट्स एंड ऑल, बाल छोड़ के जाना अच्छा नहीं है. तो रीजन इज बिकॉज earlier they used to leave their hair and move around in public only when they have lost their husband. तो उस तरह से वो प्रैक्टिस था. So that is why it is mentioned that they have loosened the hair of those wife of miscreants. कौरवों की पत्नियों की बात कर रहे हैं, और जिन्होंने द्रौपदी का बाल छुड़ा के उसको घसीटते हुए लेके आया था. और उन्होंने ये भी पास्ट टाइम बताया जहाँ पे दुर्वासा मुनि का पास्ट टाइम था. सो आई एम श्योर फिर दुर्वासा मुनि तो ही इज वेरी पॉपुलर पर्सनैलिटी. उन्होंने he was quite a powerful mystic, और he is considered to be an what to say an incarnation of Lord Shiva. दुर्वासा मुनि उनके, if I'm not wrong, उनके गुस्से से आए हुए जो पर्सनैलिटी है, that is दुर्वासा मुनि. So अगर वो खुश होते हैं he gives you good benediction, और अगर उनको गुस्सा आता है then he is very popular for that, infamous for that, where he keeps cursing everyone in and out. And that is the nature of Durvasa Muni, because he has come from the anger. He has no control over anger. गुस्सा आता है, शाप निकल जाता है. So that is how his personality is. तो कभी कभार वो लोगों को, कभी इंद्रदेव, कभी किसी राजा, कोई उनको बुलाते रहते हैं to have some food to serve him and visits, and he has around 10,000, more than 10,000 disciples. तो वैसे ही एक बार he was invited by दुर्योधन, and दुर्योधन के घर पे गए. दुर्योधन ने काफी अच्छा अरेंजमेंट किया. he gave him some good food, 56 भोग सभी बड़ा अरेंजमेंट कर दिया, and he was very satisfied. And then when the Brahman is satisfied, they ask for boon क्या चाहिए करके, and their blessings are very powerful. So Duryodhan was aware of his mystic power. तो पहले he hesitated, अरे नहीं, but then he showed as if उसको और कुछ नहीं चाहिए, but उसको उसके cousins का भला चाहिए. So I just desire for my well-being of my cousins, so why don't you visit them and also bless them. ऐसा करके उसने वो प्रस्ताव रखा. So Durvasa was very happy. He said, okay, perfectly. If that is a wish, let me do that. तो वैसे करके वो युधिष्ठिर महाराज के घर पे चले गए थे. कुंती महारानी के पास I think by sun god she got something called Akshay Patra. So Akshay Patra was it provides unlimited food. जितना चाहिए उतना खाना मिलेगा until Draupadi has her food. So द्रौपदी जैसा खाना खाएगी अक्षय पात्र में से, उस दिन का खाना बंद. So दोपहर को उन्होंने खाना खाया, एंड दुर्योधन वाज अवेयर ऑफ इट कि पांडवों का खाना खा के हुआ रहेगा. सो ही सेंट दुर्वासा ओवर देयर, बिकॉज उसके बैक ऑफ हिज माइंड ही हैज दिस बैड एविल मास्टर प्लान, जहाँ पे अभी दुर्वासा वहां पे जाएंगे, द्रौपदी का खाना खा के हुआ रहेगा, अक्षय पात्र से कुछ आएगा नहीं, एंड देन ही वुड कर्स देम ऑल एंड दे वुड ऑल बी डिस्ट्रॉयड. तो वैसा प्लान था. सो ही विजिटेड the Yudhishthir Maharaj and Draupadi, he visited them. और वहां पे पहुंचे. तो वहां पे आने के बाद obviously because there was no food and they knew that for 10,000 disciples खाना बनाना is not possible. तो क्या करना समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. तो युधिष्ठिर महाराज ने उस वक्त बोल दिया कि आप जाके पहला थोड़ा सा फ्रेश हो जाइए, तब तक हम लोग कुछ अरेंजमेंट करते हैं, क्योंकि 10,000 थोड़ा टाइम तो लगेगा. तो he said okay perfectly fine, और खाना खाने से पहले at that time people used to have bath as well. तो वो लोग गए और तभी समझ नहीं आता उनको, they were totally confused कि what can be done. So Draupadi began to cry, and she called her only hope Krishna. So that is how the mood of devotees. वो जब problem में होते हैं वो सिर्फ कृष्णा को ही याद करते हैं. They surrender. I mean, we have seen even bigger example. वस्त्रहरण के वक्त द्रौपदी ने जो exhibit किया था, we discussed that last time, that it is not possible for any person, may it be man or woman, कि ऐसे situation में where they would be shamed to the worst case scenario में, and still they live there. I mean, they completely rely on Krishna. As a situation, it is very difficult. That mood, even if we try, we will have that tinge of doubt कि कृष्णा सच में आएगा कि नहीं आएगा. मैंने तो साड़ी छोड़ दिया, but कृष्णा आएगा कि नहीं आएगा, नहीं आया तो क्या हुआ करेगा. But Draupadi had no doubt. She completely believed in Krishna, and it was not that one incident कि Krishna है. She was also a devotee of Krishna. So it is a process. It is a relation that she had built with Krishna. जब हम लोग भी वो कृष्णा से relation build करेंगे as a devotee and supreme person of Godhead, and then Krishna gives us his special protection. तो कभी भी जरूरत पड़े, when we surrender completely to Krishna, Krishna protects us. Krishna promises that, right? He will never let his devotees perish in Bhagavad Gita. तो कृष्णा को बुलाया था, and Krishna he appeared over there. वहाँ पे आ गए. And then she told him about the scenario. तो कृष्ण ने बोला घर पे क्या खाना है, दिखाओ तो सही. उसने बोला कुछ नहीं है, कुछ बर्तन धोने को पड़े हुए हैं. तो इसे दिखाओ करके वहां पे एक बर्तन के साइड में टॉप पे कुछ सब्जी चिपका हुआ था जो रेमनेंट थे. तो he took that and he ate it, and then he asked Draupadi, why don't you call the rishis, let's see. तो Bhima was sent. Bhima ने उनको बुलाया. So आप लेट क्यों कर रहे हो सर, आ जाओ जल्दी, खाना रेडी है करके. So जैसे कृष्णा ने खाना खाया था, यहाँ पे दुर्वासा मुनि और बाकी सब जो उनको डकार आने लगा, उनका पेट भरा भरा लगने लगा. तो उनके डिसाइपल्स बोलने लगे दुर्वासा मुनि को कि कुछ पेट भरा भरा है, काफी है, उन्होंने काफी कुछ अरेंजमेंट करते रहेंगे वो, और अभी हम लोग जाएंगे तो और हम लोग खा नहीं पाएंगे, इट विल नॉट लुक गुड. तो डिसाइपल्स बोलने लगे बेस्ट इज लेट्स रन अवे फ्रॉम हियर, दूसरा कुछ ऑप्शन नहीं लग रहा है करके. तो दुर्वासा मुनि एंड देन दे ऑल डिसाइडेड दैट नहीं तो राजा युधिष्ठिर महाराज को बुरा लगेगा अगर उन्होंने खाए नहीं, और वहां से वो भाग गए. So basically this was a wonderful incident. I mean, of innumerable pastimes, this is one of the pastime which shows this Krishna is Yogeshwar, the ultimate, the controller of all the mystic powers. Or when Krishna is satisfied, everyone is satisfied. This pastime also depicts that. तो उस तरह से वो pastime के बारे में बात किया था. And then कृष्णा शिवजी के साथ अर्जुन का फाइट हुआ था. एंड शिवजी, इट वाज जस्ट शिवजी वांटेड टू टेस्ट अर्जुना एंड ही वांट टू हैव वो थोड़ा सा रेसलिंग टाइप जो रहता ना, आनंद वो लेना चाहते थे. एंड अर्जुना कुड काइंड ऑफ डिफीट शिवा, बट अगेन ही सेज दैट ही एक्सेप्ट्स द फैक्ट, रियलाइजेस दैट इज only because of कृष्णा. और तब उन्हें वो वेपन दिया था, उनको धनुष दिया था. और बिकॉज ही क्या बोलते उसे, उन्होंने देवताओं को भी सपोर्ट किया था, हेल्प किया था, तब उन्हें देवताओं ने भी उनको सपोर्ट किया था. तो परपट में बोलते हैं द आइडिया इज दैट वन हु इज फेवर्ड बाय लॉर्ड शिवा और एनी अदर डेमीगॉड मे नॉट नेसेसरली बी फेवर्ड बाय सुप्रीम लॉर्ड कृष्णा. हम लोग काफी एग्जांपल देखते हैं. रावण इज वन एग्जांपल, हु वाज अ ग्रेट डिवोटी ऑफ लॉर्ड शिवा. I won't even call him a great devotee. I mean, he was just what you say, meditating on Shiva just for his personal benefit. I mean, he even asked for Parvati because he was attracted by the beauty of Parvati. I mean, what kind of devotee is? So he's not even devotee. But अगर material terms में बात करेंगे, क्योंकि आजकल हम लोग कोई अगरबत्ती भी हाथ में उठाते हैं, हम we call him a devotee, right? अरे he is such a devoted person करके बोलते हैं, अगरबत्ती हाथ में लिया तो भी. So in that sense, Ravana, even if he considered him a great devotee, but he could not be saved from the wrath of Supreme Person of Godhead, रामचंद्र. और ऐसे काफी सारे इंस्टेंसेस है जहाँ पे शिवा के जो शिवा के डिवोटीज थे, they were Shiva, Brahma. We see across Bhagavatam, across other Puranas, right? They were Krishna killed them in one or the other incarnation. Bhasmasur ho ya koi bhi ho, they were killed at one shot. But none of Krishna's devotees were killed by any of the demigods, maybe Lord Shiva, Lord Brahma, or anyone. That is because when Krishna gives protection, then koi use ye nahi kar sakta. No one would be able to harm that person. But if the person Krishna decides to harm anyone, और उसको अगर कोई बड़े से बड़े देवता भी आके उसको प्रोटेक्शन देते, बानासुर को शिव जी खुद आके लड़ने लगे थे कृष्णा के साथ, but he could not be protected. But because he was a descendant of Prahlad Maharaj, so he was, and because Shiva who was a great devotee of Lord, उन्होंने personally उसके लिए back किया, उसके protection के लिए. So he just chopped off his extra hands. उसके पास 1000 hands थे, तो उसको सिर्फ हैंड चॉप करके उसे छोड़ दिया. बट इफ ही वांटेड ही कुड हैव क्रिएटेड, जस्ट बिकॉज जब डिवोटी आके, जब कृष्णा, एक ही चीज है जो हमें बचा सकता है जब कृष्णा हमें मारने का ठान लेता है, वो है भक्त. जब भक्त आके जब प्लीड करता है कृष्णा को, जब रिक्वेस्ट करता है कि इसे छोड़ दो, तभी कृष्णा छोड़ते हैं. अदरवाइज इफ समवन कम्स टू प्रोटेक्ट, कम्स टू फाइट अगेंस्ट द लॉर्ड, वो भी खुद विनाश हो जाएगा और हम लोग भी एनीवेज मरना तो मर ही जाएंगे. And there are many such instances that in the history of Puranas, but here is an instance where we can see that Lord Shiva became pleased even in a fight with Arjuna. So you forget about killing, he became pleased, he became happy with the devotee of the Lord. The devotees of the Supreme Lord know how to respect the demigods, but the devotees of the demigods sometimes foolishly think that the Supreme Personal Godhead is no greater than the demigod. By such conception, one becomes offender and ultimately meets with the same end as Ravana and others. This is an interesting point Prabhupada mentioned in the purport. जो भगवान के भक्त है, वो सारे देवताओं को भी सम्मान से, respect से they treat it. I mean, we may see some exceptions now in some satsangas and all, but otherwise, devotees of the Lord in Puranas and all, they respect them, while they understand that they are not supreme. They are they are still the devotees of the Lord, or they are basically helping the Lord, they are serving the Lord by managing this universe, doing the administrative affairs of this universe, और उस तरह से उन्हें respect करते हैं. But जो देवताओं के जो devotees है, we see usually, I mean most cases I have seen, almost all you can see in my experience as well, that they will consider that Lord is a common human being, or he is at the same level of the demigod, and they end up offending the Lord. ये concept जो है वो किसी भी शास्त्र में नहीं है, but unfortunately I do not know how in India ये जो theory है, basically जो concept है, काफी popular है हर एक घर में mostly, जहाँ पे सारे भगवान एक है. I don't know, it was because हमारे equality के ऊपर काफी stress होता रहता है, तो उन्होंने सोचा कि देवताओं में भी equality करवा दे करके. But this is not the fact. Society, अगर हम लोग company में भी जाते हैं, not every worker is at the same level, right? We have manager, we have someone at the CEO level, और काफी सारे बीच में भी है, we have office boys as well, तो helpers है, तो सब अलग अलग लेवल पे, उनको एक जैसा ट्रीट नहीं कर सकते. While we respect them all equally, but they have to be treated separately. In the sense, CEO को बिजनेस कंपनी के डिसीजन CEO को लेना पड़ेगा. अगर हम कोई हेल्पर, कोई स्वीपर को अगर बोलेंगे ये कंपनी का ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है, क्या करना है, that will not be the right way to do it, right? वो कंपनी डूब जाएगा दूसरे दिन. So there is a reason, there is an hierarchy in everywhere. So चाहे वो कंपनी हो, चाहे घर पे हो, सब जगह पे कुछ ना कुछ हायरार्की रहता है, ये फॉलो होता है, सेटल में या डायरेक्टली पॉलिसी में या पेपर में लिखा हुआ एज ए प्रैक्टिस, एज ए ट्रेडिशन, वो होता ही है. हेड ऑफ द क्या बोलते हो, फैमिली बोलो या हेड ऑफ द विलेज बोलो, पंचायत का हेड, सब जगह पे हायरार्की होता ही है. फ्लैट सिस्टम ऑलवेज फेल्स. और हम लोगों ने काफी जगह पे देखा, इवन भक्ति सरस्वती ठाकुर जो है, भक्ति वेदांत सरस्वती ठाकुर जो इनके प्रभुपादा के जो गुरु थे, उन्होंने he did not appoint any one person as a leader of the Saraswat Math when he left. तो उसके वजह से क्या हुआ, आपस में झगड़ा होने लगा. So there has to be one head, there cannot be two heads, एक हेड बस. तो इसलिए प्रभुपाद ने क्या किया, वन हेड GBC, इसलिए इस्कॉन अभी तक चल रहा है, इवन आफ्टर प्रभुपाद लेफ्ट अस, इस्कॉन अभी भी चल रहा है. सो देयर हैज टू बी वन हेड नोइंग, देयर हैज टू बी वन लीडर एवरीवेयर टू ड्राइव इट. अगर लीडर नहीं रहेगा, वी हैव सीन दैट इट बिकम्स केओस, सब जगह फैल जाता रहता है. सो ये पूरा, जब छोटे छोटे चीजों के लिए हम लोग को लीडर चाहिए रहता है, जब छोटा सा टीम एक प्रोजेक्ट ड्राइव करने के लिए हम लोग प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर चाहिए, ये पूरा यूनिवर्स और सारा सृष्टि को संभालने के लिए या सारी चीजों को करने के लिए, हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल दैट इट कैन नॉट बी डन विदाउट ए लीडर, राइट? देयर हैज टू बी ए लीडर, and that leader is Krishna, eternal leader. But foolishly in India we have that concept that सारे सारे एक ही है और सारे एक, चाहे तुम इनका नाम लो, चाहे उनका नाम लो, चाहे कुछ भी लो, और उसमें से और कौन, कुछ भक्तों को भी भगवान बना दिया है, जैसे हनुमान जी को भगवान बना दिया है, साईं बाबा को भगवान बना दिया है. उसके अलावा कुछ फेक साधुओं को भी भगवान ट्रीट हुआ जाए. कुछ कल के अवतार बैंगलोर में उन्होंने फ्लैट लेके रहते हैं, बहुत सारे नॉनसेंसिकल थिंग होते हैं. सो वी हैव, बिकॉज वी डू नॉट हैव दैट नॉलेज, one because it is not in our education curriculum which is there, but even more important is we as parents don't teach our children. तो उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, it is just a matter of time. It is not that कि मैंने मेरे बच्चों को ये सब ज्ञान दिया नहीं तो वो कभी फंसेगा नहीं. that is not the case. कल अगर कुछ if there is God forbid कुछ गलत होता है, प्रॉब्लम डिफिकल्टी में होती है, तो इमोशन के स्टेट में they break, और तभी they want some guidance from someone higher. अगर फैमिली से कोई हायर मिलता है, कुछ नहीं होता है, then they resort to this divine power, वो होता है. और वहां पे they end up, I have seen people, जब ऐसा सिचुएशन होता है, they try to take shelter of some fake babas and all, जहाँ पे वो लोग खुद को कुछ देवता मानते हैं, and then they try to do something, some nonsensical thing, and nothing works. I have seen in my personal experience, nothing works. It is all fake for 100% sure. So ये जो देवताओं के जो devotees है, unfortunately they tend to, because they are the devotee of the devatas, by default the nature is they will tend to make because they are not connected by ego to that particular deity, तो वो deity को कम देखना उनको पसंद नहीं आएगा. So and they do not have knowledge of Vedas, so unfortunately उसकी वजह से they always think that either they are all equal or that deity is superior. And on top of that we have some movies, शनि देव का मूवी है, इसका मूवी है, उसका मूवी है, वो देख के लोगों को और लगता है कि अरे मतलब शनि देव के ऊपर कुछ नहीं है. मैंने कुछ विष्णु को भी उसने शनि देव का कुछ करते हुए देखा मूवी में, so शनि देव is above विष्णु. So we will see all such kind of things. They rely more on movies than on shastras. That is our unfortunate condition right now. और उसके वजह से we are all our concept of what you say सनातन धर्म बोलो या फिर about Vedic principles सब corrupted है. और कोई आके कल चैलेंज करता है, we have no answer to it. हम लोग सिर्फ ईगो में आके गुस्सा करते हैं, but we have no explanation कि ऐसा क्यों करके, ऐसा क्यों होता है, क्या होता है. We do not know the concept how it works. So this is what happens. So devotee of the Lord, he treats everyone with respect. He knows what their position are, and he considers himself to the servant of the other devotees. तो devotee का by default mood रहता है कि I am the dasona 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 dasona. So I am the das of the das of the das of the das, and demigods are also the das of Krishna. So I am obviously their servant as well. So they have that respect. A genuine devotee, he has that respect. But otherwise देवताओं में वैसा नहीं होता, देवताओं के भक्तों में ऐसा नहीं होता है. They do not have that concept of दासों दास. They have the concept of मुझे ये मिलेगा, वो मिलेगा, ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए from the devatas. It is only business. It is actually not even devotion in most of the cases. और उसकी वजह से they end up disrespecting or offending the Lord. By such a conception, Prabhupada says that one becomes an offender and ultimately meets with the same end as Ravana and others. So so then Arjuna continues his realization. So he says, when I stayed for some time as a guest in heavenly planet, तो उधर भी कुछ राक्षस को मारना था. So Indra requested him कि कोई राक्षस है, उसको मारना है करके, so please can you help us. और उसने हेल्प कर दिया था. So क्या उसका निवातक कवच करके डेमन का नाम था, and he was helped by them. by Arjuna. He killed them. Oh, sorry. Okay, and then Kauravas, we knew military strength was much bigger than that of Pandavas, but in spite of that, it was they were able to defeat Kauravas, and he also appreciated the fact that Krishna took the lowermost position of a charioteer, और उसमें उनको गाइड किया था. Some Vaishnavas say that युद्ध में क्या होता है, it is war cries, जो बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट होते हैं वहां पे, नॉट अपने से जो छोटे छोटे फर्जी हैंड ग्रेनेड ने, सो वो मंत्र से वगैरह कुछ करके दे एक्चुअली बो से वगैरह जो एरो से करते हैं, it is like an atom bomb, you can say in one sense. It is like atom bomb. ब्रह्मास्त्र वगैरह all they are even powerful like the atom bombs. तो ये सब चीजें जब होते हैं तब आवाज आती नहीं है. वॉरक्राफ्ट तलवार का आवाज ठान टून हम लोग देखते रहे टीवी सीरीज में वगैरह, तो ऐसा तलवार का आवाज आता रहता है कंटिन्यूअस, कुछ तो चिल्लाने का बैकग्राउंड चालू रहता है. तो वहां पे बात करेंगे तो कभी कभार आवाज आता नहीं है. सो व्हाट द जो राजा रहता है उसको क्या करना पड़ता है, कभी कभार चैरियटर जो चैरियट चलाते है उसको अगर बोलना है कि राइट साइड पे जाओ, सो विथ हिज लेग समटाइम्स दे किक द राइट साइड ऑफ द पर्सन, नॉट वेरी हार्ड, बट बेसिकली काइंड ऑफ इंडिकेशन कि राइट में जाओ. फटक से ऐसा पैर से किक या टच करते हैं. लेफ्ट में तो लेफ्ट साइड पे टच करते हैं. स्टॉप करने तो पीठ पे ऐसे पैर रखते हैं. सो sometimes this happens. This is what Vaishnava says. And Arjuna also did the same with Krishna, and Krishna he took it as a loving what to say exchanges between him and his devotee. So this is how the Lord is. अगर हम लोग को ऐसा कोई होता और हम लोग कोई प्रेसिडेंट होते और हम लोग को ऐसा करता, we would have got that person arrested और उसको थर्ड डिग्री देते, क्या क्या करते थे. But this is Lord. Even he is the president of the whole universe, all creation. He is very what to say, he's very lovable. He loves his devotees so much that we cannot, I mean there are a lot of examples in Bhagavatam. It is very difficult for us to even understand कि क्या level तक भगवान ये करते रहेंगे. I mean you can see all type of pastimes of the Lord. And it was then he continues about the same war के senior के बारे में आगे बात करते रहते हैं. So he gives all the credit to Lord Krishna for the reason that they succeeded into this war. Yeah. Mamta Mataji, do you want to take up this slide? You are on mute, Mataji, in case you are talking.
Yeah, Prabhu, wait a minute, because the font goes very small actually. Yeah. So, Srimad Bhagavatam 1.15. Great journals like Bhishma, Drona, Karna, Bhurishrava, Susarma, Shalya, Jayaratha, and Hadika all directed their Prabhu, this recording sign is coming there. What is this?
Which one, Mataji? They directed their invincible weapon against me.
Invincible weapon against me. But by his Lord Krishna's grace, they could not even touch a hair on my head. Similarly, Prahlad Maharaj, the supreme devotee of Lord Narasimha Dev, was unaffected by the weapons of demons used against him. It was by his mercy only that my enemies neglected to kill me when I descended from my chariot to get water for my thirsty horses. It was due to my lack of esteem for my Lord that I dared engage him as my chariot driver, for he is worshipped and offered services by the best men to attain salvation. O King, his jokings and frank talks were pleasing and beautifully decorated with smiles. His addresses unto me as, O son of Pratha, O friend, O son of the Kuru's dynasty, and all such heartiness are now remembered by me, and thus I am overwhelmed. Generally, both of us used to live together and sleep, sit, and loiter together. And at the time of advertising oneself for acts of chivalry, sometime if there was any irregularity, I used to approach him by saying, "My friend, you are very truthful even in those hours when his value was minimized. He being the supreme soul, used to tolerate all those uttering of mine, excusing me exactly as a true friend excuses his true friend, or a father excuses his son. O Emperor, now I am separated from my friend and dear most well-wisher, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and therefore my heart appears to be void of everything. In his absence, I have been defeated by a number of infidel, cowherd men when I was guarding the bodies of all the wives of Krishna. I have the very same Gandiva bow, the same arrows, the same chariot drawn by the same horses, and I use them as the same Arjuna to whom all the kings offered their due respect. But in the absence of Lord Krishna, all of them at a moment notice have become null and void. It is exactly like offering clarified butter on ashes, accumulated money with a magic wand, or sowing seed on barren land. Okay, since you have asked me about our friends and relatives in the city of Dwarka, I will inform you that all of them were cursed by the Brahmanas, and as a result, they all became intoxicated with wine made of pure, pure, putrefied rice and fought among themselves with sticks, even not even recognizing one another. Now all but 4 or 5 of them are dead and gone. Hare Krishna.
Thank you,
So
Mataji.
this is where how he is lamenting and he is remembering all the pastimes with Krishna. Hari Bol.
Jai Hari Bol. Thank you. So for the 16th verse, we'll quickly have a look at this purport जहाँ पे Prabhupada he gives a good information. He provides some good information about these personalities. तो यहाँ पे we'll directly skip to that part. He starts with Karna. So Karna, let me see if I can increase the font. तो थोड़ा और clear. Okay. तो Karna. Just give me a second. So Karna was born of Kunti by sun god. ये हम लोग को पता है, right? So prior to she मंत्र से उन्होंने कर्ण को प्राप्त किया था. And when he was born, he took his birth with bangles and earrings. So he was an undoubted hero for sure. उसका था, but unfortunately association खराब होने से सब खराब हो जाता है. In the beginning, his name was Vasusena. But when he grew up, he presented his natural bangles and earrings to Indradev, and henceforth he became as Vaikartana. After his birth from the maiden Kunti, he was thrown into Ganga. Later he was picked up by Adhiratha, and he and his wife Radha brought him up as their own offspring. तो हमें पता है उन्हें उसे बास्केट में डाल के ये कर दिया था, कुछ पैसों के साथ, कुछ गोल्ड के साथ, and across the shore somewhere किसी ने they picked him up. So he was very charitable right from his childhood, and we know that he's very popularly known for that. There was nothing he could not spare for a Brahmana. In the same charitable spirit, he gave in charities natural bangles and earrings to Indradev, who, being very much satisfied with him, gave him return a great weapon, Shakti. So he knew that अगर ये कवच कुंडल, उसको ये भी पता था कि ये इंद्र है करके, लेकिन ब्राह्मण के वेश में आया था, इसलिए उसने कवच कुंडल दी. कवच कुंडल देने से द प्रोटेक्शन, मतलब उसको कर्ण का प्रोटेक्शन पूरा चला गया था. देयर वाज इट वाज अ नेचुरल शील्ड दैट ही वाज बोर्न विथ, तो उसका पूरा वो चला गया. सो which means it is what you say कि he kind of मतलब we can understand what kind of attitude this person had charity करते वक्त. But unfortunately misunderstanding is which is not mentioned here. Misunderstanding is ये actually charity नहीं था. I mean initially it was thought to be charity, but then charity में क्या होता है, you give something and you don't ask anything in return. But यहाँ पे as Mahabharata says, he asks for this Shakti weapon, and Indra, because he was being pleased, so he gave him the Shakti weapon. So when you do charity, it is not that you never ask anything in return, and all the essence of charity is gone, right? Not even upload videos to Facebook and Twitter. But यहाँ पे he asked for something in return, that is Shakti. So basically he did a kind of a deal because Shakti was so powerful, और उसने ये वेपन सिर्फ अर्जुन को मारने के लिए रखा था. सो हिज इंटेंशन, बिकॉज दिस वाज वेरी पावरफुल और कोई इसको इंटरेक्ट नहीं कर सकता था, नॉट इवन अर्जुन. दैट वाज द आइडिया. So he was admitted as one of the students of Dronacharya, and from the very beginning there was some rivalry between him and Arjuna. Seeing his constant rivalry with Arjuna, Duryodhan picked him up as his companion, and this gradually grew into greater intimacy. He was also present in the great assembly of Draupadi's Swayamvar function, and we attempted to exhibit his talent in their meeting. Draupadi's brother declared that Karna could not take part in the competition because of his being the son of Shudra carpenter. So क्योंकि हम लोग लास्ट टाइम डिस्कस किया था, राइट, जब लड़की हायर वर्णाश्रम की रहती है, she should not marry the person from the lower वर्णाश्रम, and for obvious reason, बिकॉज वो लड़की अभी उसके घर पे जाएगी जहाँ पे कॉन्शियसनेस जो रहता है वो कम डेवलप रहता है. दिस विल नेगेटिवली इम्पैक्ट द गर्ल. बट ऑन द अदर हैंड, अ गर्ल विथ ए लोअर, क्या बोलते हैं, कॉन्शियसनेस और लोअर वर्णाश्रम कैन मैरी ए पर्सन विथ अ हायर वर्णाश्रम. तो कोई क्षत्रियाणी है वो ब्राह्मण से शादी कर सकते, बिकॉज नाउ दैट विल बी फॉर हर बेनिफिट, शी विल नॉट बी लूजिंग एनीथिंग. तो यहाँ पे भी he was because and anyways end of the day it was Draupadi's choice. कुछ जगह पे बोलते हैं कि उसने शूद्र वर्ड भी यूज नहीं किया, ऐसा बोला भी नहीं कि शूद्र के पुत्र हो करके, जैसे टीवी सीरियल में दिखाते हैं. बट she very tactfully she kind of avoided him through her brother Drishtadyumna. So although he was refused in the competition, still when Arjuna was successful in piercing the fish target on the ceiling, Draupadi bestowed her garland on Arjuna. Karna and other disappointed princes offered an unusual stumbling block to Arjuna while he was leaving Draupadi. Specifically, Karna fought with him very valiantly, but all of them were defeated by Arjuna. तो वहां पे लोग यूजुअली बोलते हैं कर्णा बहुत पावरफुल था, इसलिए अर्जुन, कृष्णा ने उसके साथ ऐसा किया, नहीं तो अर्जुन को हरा सकता था. सो देयर आर मेनी सच केसेस जहां पे वी कैन सी डायरेक्टली, इनडायरेक्टली, it has been directly, we can see that Arjuna was very much I mean he was powerful than Karna, I mean in terms of his skills in archery and other things. So this is one example जहाँ पे उसने रोकने का ट्राई किया था Karna ने, and Arjuna he defeated not only the Karna but all the other kings as well who were supporting Karna. ऐसा और एक हुआ था स्टोरी जब ये वनवास में थे, तो वहां पे कुछ I mean Duryodhan wanted to, I'm not sure, वो he came with all his soldiers including Karna for some reason, I'm not sure, was it to attack Pandavas or to just see the plight of Pandavas, make fun of them, या फिर कुछ रीजन के लिए आ रहे थे. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली ही लैंडेड अप इन सम एरिया ऑफ यक्षस और some say tribals जहाँ पे they were great warriors. So they were so great warriors, and yakshas we know they are divine warriors, so they easily defeated Kauravas. Karna वगैरह सब भाग गए थे वहां से, और दुर्योधन को बंदी पकड़ के रख दिया था. and this news reached Pandavas who were staying nearby somewhere. So इन्हें भीमा ने तो ना बोला था भाड़ में जाए करके, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, but then Yudhishthir, he then helped them convince कि see, end of the day it is, he is our brother, so we have to help him. और इन 5 पांडवों ने, Karna, he fought with these yakshas and along with the army, still he failed, but his 5 Pandavas went there और उन्होंने easily defeat किया उनको और दुर्योधन को release किया था. And that is where Duryodhan told Arjuna कि because you saved me, जब चाहिए तुम मुझसे वर मांग सकते हो, you can ask something from me and I will give it to you. So and that was when जो 5 भीष्म देव ने 5 धनुषों में अपना पूरा ताकत रख के रखा था और जो पांडवों को रखने वाले थे, and Arjun went that night to the tent of Duryodhan and he asked for that boon and Duryodhan gave it. I mean, he knew that this is the only hope, this was the only last hope, नहीं तो उसके आगे उनको डिफीट करना मुश्किल है, बट स्टिल व्हेन ही अप्रोच दुर्योधन, दुर्योधन गिव इट टू देम. अभी केस में वो भी मिलना मुश्किल है. आई मीन फॉरगेट अबाउट इन ए बैड पर्सन, अच्छे व्यक्ति में भी ऐसा मिलना मुश्किल है कि आवर सर्वाइवल का ओनली होप हम लोग दे रहे किसी को. सो आई मीन इवन दोज पीपल वर बैड, दे आल्सो हैड दैट गुडनेस इन देम टू सम एक्सटेंट. दे वर काइंड ऑफ पार्शियल रिलीजियस एज वेल. अभी तो वो भी नहीं है. So there are many instances which shows that Arjuna was actually much greater. He was much greater warrior than Karna. So तो उसको defeat किया था. And then Karna was also defeated many times, not only by Arjuna but also by Bhimsena. That is also mentioned here. So he was the king of kingdom of Bengal, Orissa and Madras combined. उनको वो kingdom दिया था. Later on he took an active part in the Rajasuya sacrifice of Maharaj Yudhishthir, and that the gambling game between when there was a gambling between the rival brothers designed by Shakuni, Karna took part in the game and he was very pleased when Draupadi was offered a bet in the gambling. उसका पुराना जो ग्रज था उसको पता अभी मतलब यही सही टाइम है बदला लेने के लिए. When Draupadi was in the game, he was very enthusiastic, declared the news, and it was he who ordered Dusasan to take away the garments of both पांडवास एंड द्रौपदी. सो हम लोग यूजुअली कर्णा को यूजुअली पोर्ट्रे अलग किया जाता है अपने मीडिया में या जो भी है, मतलब मुगल्स को किया जाता है अच्छा पोर्ट्रे, मतलब कर्णा तो फिर भी ठीक है, ही वाज बेटर. तो बट दिस वर सम आई मीन व्हेन वी लुक एट इट, कर्णा वाज रियली गुड. आई मीन बट बिकॉज ऑफ हिज एसोसिएशन ही हैड बिकम वेरी बैड. उसमें एसोसिएशन उसने वो ग्रज रखा था, ये रखा था, सो हिज कॉन्शियसनेस जो था वो पूरा करप्ट हो गया था. Even if you have a grudge on a woman, this is not how you kind of take out your grudge. So Karna was the one who ordered for it, so we can understand I mean what was his I mean he is actually worth appreciation कि क्या है करके we can take a call on that. So he asked Draupadi to select another husband because being lost to Pandavas, she was rendered slave of Kurus. And मतलब you can understand how painful and how he went new low. कितना बोलते हैं ना तुच्छ हरकतें, वैसा तुच्छ बातें कर रहा था. So he was always an enemy of Pandavas, and whenever there is an opportunity, he tried to curb them all by all means. During the battle of Kurukshetra, he foresaw the conclusive result, and he expressed his opinion that due to Lord Krishna being the chariot driver of Arjuna, the battle should be won by Arjuna. He also differed by Bhishma, and sometimes he was proud enough to say that within 5 days he would finish up Pandavas if Bhishma would not interfere with his plan of action. But he was not mortified when Bhishma died. और एक चीज हुआ था कि अगर आपको पता है जब ये युद्ध हुआ था, so Karna did not fight for initial few days. He only entered the war field जब भीष्मदेव वो bed of arrows में थे. Because he had his fight with ego की वजह से, because there was some plan he proposed and Bhishma said this is not the right way, and then his ego was hurt and he said मैं लड़ूंगा नहीं कुछ भी हो. तभी जब only and only when Bhishma is वो जो commander है वो he gives up, he resigns from that, I will enter this war, or else I will not be entering, I will be just mute spectator. So even though he said दुर्योधन उसका friend है, ये है वो है, but जब ego पे आता है, when you are in that bad association, you are unable to control over that ego. When you behave like asuras, you actually end up being an asura. Ego overpowers you. तो यहाँ पे भी, and he was very वो बार बार भीष्मदेव को भी इंसल्ट करते थे. He was not respectful of his elders, so he had those qualities in them, unethical qualities, and so he always differed from Bhishma, and sometimes proud to say enough 5 दिन में वो वॉर खत्म कर सकता था अगर भीष्मा ने, तो वैसे बड़े बड़े रागपट्टी देता था. But he was much mortified when he was much mortified when Bhishma died. He killed Gatotkacha with the Shakti weapon, और ये सब कृष्णा का arrangement था, because he knew that he had Shakti weapon. So he had Gatotkacha fight this war, and pressure में आके, peer pressure में आके, he was asked to use the Shakti weapon, Karna. His son Vrishasena was killed by Arjuna. He killed the largest number of Pandava soldiers, Vrishasena. At last there was a severe fight with Arjuna, and he was able to knock off the helmet of Arjuna. But it so happened that the wheel of his chariot was stuck in the battlefield mud, and when he got down to set the wheel right, Arjuna took the opportunity and killed him, although he requested Arjuna not to do so. So basically लोग बोलते हैं कि ये गलत किया, ऐसा युद्ध क्षत्रिय में ऐसा होता है, वैसा होता है कंडक्ट. तो कंसेप्ट ऐसा हुआ था कि पहले एग्री हुआ था कि बॉस कोई जो कंसेप्ट है क्षत्रिय, जो मोरल्स है, उसको फॉलो करना है करके. सो दे एग्रीड. बट देन युधिष्ठिर महाराज सेड, अगर आप लोग ब्रेक करोगे देन वी विल नॉट हेजिटेट टू ब्रेक, वी विल नॉट बी देन होल्डिंग टू आवर मोरल, और तुम लोग मोरल ब्रेक करते रहोगे, दिस विल नॉट वर्क. वी विल नॉट बी द वन टू ब्रेक द मोरल, दिस इज व्हाट आई गारंटी यू. और जब अर्जुन एक बार पानी पीने गए थे, उसने रोक के रथ से उतर गया था. एज पर क्षत्रिय कंडक्ट यू शुडंट अटैक सच पर्सन, जो रथ से उतर के कुछ चीज पानी पीने के लिए, और जैसे कर्ण यहाँ पे केस में. सो तभी कर्ण ने क्या किया, ही न्यू दैट अभी वो पानी पीने गए, क्योंकि युद्ध के वक्त पूरा थक जाता, राइट. सो समटाइम्स दे गो एंड टेक ब्रेक एंड पानी पी के वगैरह आते हैं, घोड़ों को पानी चाहिए रहता है, और एल्स दे विल ऑल कोलैप्स. तो कर्ण और उन्होंने क्या किया, कर्ण कॉल्ड इन ऑल द अदर कौरवास और सोल्जर्स, तो दे सेड नाउ दिस इज राइट टाइम, लेट्स अटैक अर्जुन. सो दे ऑल गैदर्ड, और फॉरेस्ट में जहां पे पॉन्ड में पानी पीने गए थे, दे स्टार्टेड अटैकिंग अर्जुन, एंड अर्जुन सिंगल हैंडेडली उनको भगा दिया था उन्होंने, अर्जुन ने. सो अगेन हियर वन मोर केस वेयर इन ही प्रूव्ड ही वाज बेटर in archery or other skill set as compared to Karna along with other Kauravas and soldiers. So there was a breach of conduct, जो trust का breach already वहां पे हो चुका था. So there was no point of now, because that was the word given, अगर आप लोग break करोगे हम लोग भी break करेंगे. So tit for tat. So कृष्णा ने बोला कि shoot, conduct बिंडा गया भाड़ में, shoot करो, and this is the right time. And then he could have fought from the down. अगर ऐसा है तो he could have, ठीक है, चाक वहां पे पहिया अटक गया था, he could have got down the chariot, अर्जुन भी नीचे उतरता था, and they would have fought down. जब एक राजा चैरियट से नीचे उतरता है, the conduct says that other king should also get down, he cannot use chariot. तो क्षत्रिय जो मोरल्स है, तो he could have got down and he would have got in a club war, but some experts say that he was kind of scared, कि उन्होंने देखा था कि अभी उसका अंत आ गया करके. He was, and उसी वक्त वो मंत्र भी भूल गया था, जो ब्रह्मास्त्र का जो मंत्र कि उसको विश्वामित्र ने शाप दिया था कि तुम परशुराम ने शाप, थैंक यू माता जी, परशुराम ने शाप दिया था कि तुम सही टाइम, जब टाइम आएगा मरने का टाइम, जब भी यूज का टाइम आएगा, सही टाइम पे वो भूल जाओगे. एंड दैट वाज हिज लास्ट टाइम, लास्ट मोमेंट, और वो भूल गया था. सो हिज टाइम हैड ऑलरेडी कम. he was just scared to get back to chariot or get down and challenge Arjuna on the ground. He was scared to it, and Krishna ने बोला अभी ये ड्रामा बंद करते हैं, just shoot and finish it करके. And that is when Arjuna took the opportunity and killed him. So this was Karna. बाद में दूसरा वहां पे नाम जो श्लोका में है वो नप्ता और भूरिश्रवा. So Bhurishrava was the son of Somadatta, a member of Kuru family. His older brother was Shalya. Both brothers and father attended the Swayamvara ceremony of Draupadi. All of them appreciated the wonderful strength of Arjuna due to his being the devotee friend of Lord. And thus Bhurishrava advised the son of Dhritarashtra not to pick any quarrel or fight with them. All of them also attended the Rajasuya Yajna of Maharaj Yudhishthir. He possessed one Akshuni regiment of army, cavalry, elephant, chariot, and all of these were employed in the battlefield of Kurukshetra on behalf of Duryodhana's party. he was counted by Bhima as one of the Yuthapatis. He was counted by Bhima as one of the Yuthapatis. In the battlefield of Kurukshetra, he was specially engaged in a fight with Satyaki, and he killed 10 sons of Satyaki. Later on, Arjuna cut off his hands, and he was ultimately killed by Satyaki. After his death, he merged into the existence of Vishwadeva. So this was so even though he appreciated the Pandavas, but unfortunately he was due to some reason he ended up fighting against Pandavas, and then he met his fate. दूसरा नाम लिया है यहाँ पे त्रिगता और Shushruma's son. So son of Maharaj Vridrakshetra, he was the king of Trigarta Desha, and he was also present in Swayamvara ceremony of Draupadi. He was one of the allies of Duryodhan, and he advised Duryodhan to attack Matsya Desha. During this time of cow stealing in Virata Nagara, he was able to arrest Maharaj Virata, but later Maharaj Virata was released by Bhima. In the battlefield of Kurukshetra, he was fought very valiantly, but at the end he was killed by Arjuna. तो ये cow stealing का, it was when basically they were in अज्ञात वो थे ना, एक साल का वो लोग पूरे अंडर कवर थे, इनकॉग्निटो स्टेज में थे, तो तभी वो राज्य को cow stealing का कुछ उन्होंने ये किया था, फाइट हुआ था. So this was one incident that happened. The next was Jayadratha. So he was another son of Vidraseta. He was Vidrakshetra. He was the son of he was the king of Sindhu Desha, Sindh, Pakistan. His wife's name was Dushala. He was also present in the Swayamvara. Yeah, sorry, Mataji.
Prabhuji, that is Duryodhan's sister. Sister ka husband रहता है.
Dushala is Duryodhan's sister.
Yeah.
Oh, Haribol. Thank you, Mataji. Yeah, I wasn't aware of this. Jay. So he was also present in Swayamvara ceremony of Draupadi, and he desired very strongly to have her hand, but he failed in the competition. But since then, he always sought the opportunity to get in touch with Draupadi. So yes, I remember that, Mataji. So he had come to kidnap Draupadi. एक case में हुआ था, he had come to kidnap Draupadi, and so since then he always sought opportunity to kill Draupadi. To get in touch with Draupadi. When he was going to marry Shalya Desha, on the way to Kamyavana, he happened to see Draupadi again and was too much attracted to her. The Pandavas and Draupadis were then in exile, and after losing their empire in gambling, Jayadratha thought it was wise to send news to Draupadi in an illicit manner that one of his assured that कि ऐसा शादी करने ready करके. So Draupadi at once refused the proposal of Jayadratha, but being so much attracted by the beauty of Draupadi, he tried again and again. Every time he was refused by Draupadi, he tried to take her away forcibly on his chariot. At first, Draupadi gave him a good dashing, and he fell like a cutroot tree. But he was not discouraged. He was able to force Draupadi to sit down on his chariot. This incident was seen by Daumya Muni, and he strongly protested the action of Jayadratha. He also followed the chariot, and through Dhatrika, the matter was brought to the notice of Maharaj Yudhishthir. The Pandavas then attacked the soldiers of Jayadratha and killed them all, and at last Bhima caught hold of Jayadratha and beat him very severely, almost dead. Then all but the 5 hairs were cut from his head, and he was taken to all the kings and introduced as a slave of Maharaj Yudhishthir. He was forced to admit himself to be the slave of Maharaj Yudhishthir before all princely order, and in the same condition he was brought before Maharaj Yudhishthir. So Maharaj Yudhishthir again released. जो उसको पहले भी मारने का था, उसको मारने दिया था, भीमा के हाथ में लग गया तो उस व्यक्ति को मरना चाहिए. बट युधिष्ठिर महाराज ने बोला कि वो हमारे जो सिस्टर है उसका पति है, तो हमारा ब्रदर इन लॉ है, सो वी शुडंट किल हिम करके. और तभी से वो क्षत्रिय नाम के लिए कुछ 5 बाल काट के उसको थोड़ा इंसल्ट, क्योंकि क्षत्रियों के लिए वही है, राइट? क्षत्रियों के लिए इंसल्ट करना इज एज गुड एज किलिंग देम. एंड जब द्रौपदी को डाला था, द्रौपदी ने पहले काफी सारे वर्बल इससे उसको काउंट ऑफ करने का ट्राई किया था, एंड देन बट ही स्टिल डिड नॉट लिसन. फोर्सफुल करना ट्राई किया. यहाँ पे जैसे हम लोग पढ़ा कि मुनि ने रेसिस्ट करने का ट्राई किया, बट देन व्हेन दिस ऑफ हिज 5 पांडवास they were so strong, तो वो थोड़ा उधर ही हिल गया, उधर ही उसका गला पूरा सूख गया. and then these 5 brothers they killed all his soldiers और उसको भी बहुत पीटा, and as we see उसको पूरा insult करके as good as killed him, उसको वापस युधिष्ठिर के सामने लेके आ गया था. So after this incident he was allowed to return to the country. Being so insulted, he went to Gangotri in the Himalayas and undertook a severe type of penance to please Lord Shiva. He asked his benediction to defeat all the Pandavas, at least one at a time. Then the battlefield of Kurukshetra began and he took side with Duryodhan. In the first day he was engaged with Maharaj Drupad, then with Virat, and then with Abhimanyu. When Abhimanyu was killed mercilessly, surrounded by 7 great generals, the Pandavas came to his help, but Jayadratha, by the mercy of Lord Shiva, repulsed them with great ability. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे देखते कि कैसे मतलब he could defeat because he had that boon from Lord Shiva. Otherwise it was not possible to defeat the Pandavas. और तभी अर्जुन ने वो लिया था कि उसको मार डालेगा करके. On hearing this, Jayadratha wanted to leave the war field and ask for permission from Kauravas for his cowardly action, but he was not allowed to do so. On the contrary, he was obliged to fight with Arjuna, and while the fight was going on, Krishna reminded Arjuna that the benediction of Shiva upon Jayadratha was that whoever would cause his head to fall on the ground would die at once. He therefore advised Arjuna to throw the head of Jayadratha directly onto the lap of his father, who was engaged in penances at Samanta Pankaja pilgrimage. This was actually done by Arjuna. So Jayadratha's father was surprised to see a severed head on his lap, and he at once threw it to the ground, and father immediately died, his forehead being cracked in 7 pieces. So we can see Krishna, matlab, see, it is, if Krishna wants, Arjuna ko kuch nahi hota hai, but because his devotees kuch boons milte hai, just to be in line with that, he does all these tricks and all, which, and भक्तों के ये काफी इंटरेस्टिंग अच्छा लगता है, and they get even more attracted to Krishna when they see that, oh, Krishna कितना smart है, कितना ये कर रहा है, वो कर रहा है. So even the devotees, they love to read all these pastimes of Krishna. तो यहाँ पे भी कैसे उसने very smartly उसका सर काट के he told him to put it in his father's head, and I believe अगर उसके पिताजी के सर पे डाल दिया रहेगा गोदी में, then his person also would be some of asuric buddhi for sure. So his father immediately died over there. So these are some different personalities, and Prabhupada has given some interesting information about them. So वहाँ पे so again, so then he continues with his Arjuna कि ऐसा हुआ वैसा हुआ, and I जो भी हुआ युद्ध में, basically says that it is all because of Krishna. और जब भी कुछ होता है, I mean, he even insulted Krishna in some of the, मतलब ताना मारा था उसको, कृष्णा को ताना वगैरह मारता था, एंड कृष्णा का वैल्यू मिनिमाइज करता था कि हाँ भाई तू सही बोल रहा है करके, ऐसा करके तूने, तो ताना वगैरह मारता था. बट कृष्णा यूज्ड टू, आई मीन हिज डिवोटीज का कभी वो इतना बुरा लगता नहीं था, एंड ही यूज्ड टू टेक इट एज वन ऑफ हिज एक्सचेंजेस विद हिज डिवोटी. बट नाउ अर्जुना रिमेंबर्स ऑल दैट एंड सेज इवन दो ही वाज सुप्रीम सोल, he tolerated everything just for me, just because that's why he's a true friend करके सब excuse किया करके उसने मुझे as a true friend. And then one thing he mentions is, oh emperor, now I am separated from my friend and dearmost well-wisher, the supreme person of Godhead, and therefore my heart appears to be void of everything. In his absence I have been defeated by a number of infidel covered men while I was guarding the bodies of all the wives of Krishna. तो कुछ पत्नियों को कृष्णा के जब कृष्णा चले गए थे, वो अर्जुना अपने साथ लेके जा रहा था फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन कुछ बीवियों को. तो वहां पे बीच में कुछ कवर्ड बॉयज, कुछ ट्राइबल लोगों ने, आई मीन दे वर नो मैच फॉर कृष्णा, सॉरी फॉर अर्जुना, दे वर लिटिल नो मैच फॉर अर्जुना, बट they defeated Arjuna, and then they kidnapped these wives of Krishna. So Prabhupada tells the pastime behind this incident. So Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur has justified the contradiction by research in the Vishnu Purana and Brahma Purana. So ऐसा whimsical कोई आचार्य अपने whimsical कर, प्रभुपादा जो भी लिखते हैं, it has to be some from acharyas or from Puranas. In my experience so far, I have never seen even one incident where Prabhupada has whimsically speculated something. No, he has never done that. Either it has to be from acharyas, कुछ आचार्य को quote किया रहेगा, उनसे लिया रहेगा, और किसी पुराण से लिया रहेगा. And this is how a spiritual master should be. he should be in line with the shastras. खुद के दिमाग से he cannot make some comments on the history or something. He can give his understanding, his conclusion, but he cannot make changes to history या फिर जो essence है उसको change नहीं कर सकते. So what happened is, in this Puran it is said that once the fair denizens of heaven pleased Ashtavakra Muni by their service and were blessed by the Muni to have the Supreme Lord as their husband. तो वैसे उनको blessings मिल गया था कुछ देवताओं को. अष्टवक्र मुनि was curved in 8 points in his body, इसलिए अष्टवक्र 8 जगह पे टेढ़े हुए. And he used to walk in a peculiar curved manner. तो वो देख के जो लड़कियां थी देवताओं की वो अपना हंसी रोक नहीं पाए. And then they laughed and Muni became angry with them and cursed them that they would be kidnapped by the rogue. Even if they were to get the Lord as their husband. अगर पति भगवान को भी अपने पति समझा, फिर भी वो लोग कैसे कोई ट्राइबल ऐसे रोग से वगैरह they would be kidnapped. मतलब कोई भी साधारण कोई मनुष्य एरा गैरा आके उनको किडनैप करके जाएगा करके. Later on, the girls again satisfied the Muni by their prayers, and the Muni blessed them that they would again regain their husband even after being robbed by the rogue. So in order to keep the words of the great Muni, the Lord himself kidnapped his wives from the protection of Arjuna, and otherwise they would have been at once vanished from the scene as soon as they were touched by the rogues. Besides that, some of the gopis who prayed to be the husband become the wife of the Lord returned to the respective position after their desire was fulfilled. After the departure of the Lord, he wanted all his entourage back to Godhead, and they were called back again under different conditions only. तो अलग अलग तरीके से वापस जो उनका इटर्नल एसोसिएट्स है उनको वापस बुला दिया था. So this is their example. So it was because of the curse उनको fulfill करना था, and that is why Krishna temporarily took away the power of Arjuna, and Arjuna failed and they were kidnapped. वो मुनि का शाप को ये करने के लिए. So he is saying that I had the same Gandiva, I had the same chariot, लेकिन फिर भी I could not fight with them. It was because of the absence of Lord Krishna, and this is what it is for us, right? So हम लोग भी हमें लगता है कि हम लोगों ने काफी सारे अचीवमेंट किए अपने लाइफ में, but we have to realize that it is only because of Krishna. We may be faced with such scenarios which may look simpler than what we had done, but we can fail, and we have seen in life, right? ऑफिस का काम हो या घर पे हो, we might have done something even great, एकदम बहुत बड़ा तीर मारा रहेगा, बट छोटा चीज होता है हम लोग उसमें भी फेल हो जाते हैं लाइफ में. So if we would have been, I mean, अपने ही सब स्किल सेट पे अपने एफर्ट पे अगर वो रिलाई होता रहेगा, then we would have actually surpassed that. हम लोग actually उसको we could have won that over that situation. We would have easily overcome that whatever problem that it would have been. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता है. It is because of Krishna. The power is given to us by Krishna. The power is taken from us from Krishna. I mean, he is not playing around with us. He does it on specific purpose as per our karmas, basically. Or if we are devotee, he does it on specific purpose to basically direct our life towards Krishna. So we will take a pause here. Any questions, any comments, anything that you want to add to today's different pastimes we read about Krishna, that Arjuna narrated about Krishna? कुछ ऐड करना है, or else we will stop the recording over here. जय. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,